Hey y'all, and welcome back for another video. Today is the highly anticipated video of my review on the Fenty hair. So I'm gonna do a full wash day.
Get your life, plan it out. You can go as far as you can dream. Edges laid, curls popping. She's a doctor of pharmacy.
If it's your very first time here, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I'm excited to try this product line as a whole. I've heard a lot of good things about it, and thank you so much to Rihanna herself, baby. I'm thanking her and the team for sending me this in PR. I'm so grateful. So I'm excited to give y'all my honest thoughts and reviews on how it works on my 3C hair. So let's go ahead and get into it, girl. I'm starting off with my shampoo. I did just pre-poo my hair, so it is already detangled, and this is going to be my first time smelling it. Let's see what it's giving. It actually smells really good. It smells like I'm trying to see what, I'm trying to describe it. It has like a floral, perfumey, very clean scent. It smells, I have never smelled a shampoo like this. I don't know what's driving the scent, but yeah, she's definitely smelling good. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair and get into it. We are going in with the shampoo. So a little bit about this shampoo. It's a gentle, color safe shampoo for fine, medium, and thick hair types. It's really marketed to reduce breakage and split ends to give you like that softer, smoother, and shinier look. And it also is perfect for dry hair because it helps to restore the moisture. I'm not mad at the lather that the first wash gave me because remember, I did already pre-poo my hair. I would say it's definitely not stripping, but I also wouldn't detangle with it. Like, it doesn't have, it's not OD moisturizing to the point where it has a little bit of slip, which honestly I don't expect that from shampoos, no way, so that's not a negative in my books. I'm gonna see if the water will help to activate it. Just a little bit of water to see if that helps to activate it. Now, while adding a little bit of water did add a little bit more slip, I'm still not detangling with shampoo. That's your choice though. You can decide once you try the product. I feel like some people detangle in their shampoo on a regular. I never really do that. So yeah, and this is the amount of shedding that I've had from just finger detangling. That was the first shampoo, and my hair actually feels really soft. So let's see. Second time, usually I get more lather because the product buildup has lifted up. So let's see if that's true with this one as well. I will say the pump is like stiff. Like, it takes a good bit of strength to pump it. I could definitely tell it's more lather as expected. This is why it's always so important to shampoo twice. I liked how it felt when it rinsed out though. That was different. It's been so long since I washed my hair, y'all. Honestly, I needed this. I needed this. Y'all see the lather? Yeah. Consistency wise, she's pretty thick, but not like OD thick. Kind of like in between a body lotion and a body cream consistency. The scent is definitely there. It smells like body care. like something you might put on after you get out of the shower. Now, I don't see, on first impression, I don't feel a lot of slip. However, I know I need to add some water to really activate it, so hold that thought. Also, I have not washed my hair in about 3 weeks, so the shedding that y'all see, don't be alarmed. It has nothing to do with the product. I just haven't washed my hair in 3 weeks, so this is weeks and weeks worth of shedding. The Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner is for people with medium to thick hair. It also helps with dryness, damage, and split ends, but also frizz too. And the key benefits, it's gonna quickly detangle, which I can agree with, and it also improves shine and softens your hair as well. That definitely helps to activate the product. I would not recommend detangling until you have activated it with some water because it might be a little rough otherwise. See, now my brush is just gliding through. Granted, y'all know I use a pre-poo, so this is not like my hair was matted or anything, but still I have some knots at the ends, so. I forgot to mention, one of the main ingredients in this deep conditioner is wild mango butter, which, if you know, you know, is known for nourishing and conditioning properties, and I feel like that has a lot to do with the slip of this deep conditioner too. Y'all see the curls. I love the deep conditioner. Anything with slip, girl, sign me up. And this has all the slip, baby. I think I'm in love again. Yeah. The deep conditioner. I like her. I like her. My hair literally soaked it up. If you apply it on wet hair, you probably don't have to use as much initially. I probably used a little bit too much, but I didn't know. Overall, I was very pleased with the Fenty hair shampoo and deep conditioner. They actually became heavy in my rotation. I have since emptied them since filming this video. Let me know if y'all have questions below or if you tried these products, and I'll see y'all on my next video. Bye.